So guys, if you actually vibe code any of your mobile app or web app and you actually feel that okay, your audience is actually requesting you start paying for the web app you build, maybe you build it with boot.new or you use Lovable to build this particular web app or Replit, you actually need to accept payment so that your audience can actually pay for what you actually build. So, and if you are not residing in USA, it is very hard. I mean very hard, because for you to get a Stripe account, you have to set up a company in USA. You have to get an LLC, ensure that you actually follow the procedure for you to get Stripe account. So I'm going to be showing you a best alternative to Stripe that will allow you to accept payment irrespective of the country you are from, and it doesn't require you to set up a company in USA or have a LLC. So ensure you watch this video from beginning to end, because I'm going to show you the one I'm actually using right now for all my web apps. So without further ado, let me show you the one I'm currently using right now, which is called Padu.com. So as you can see, this is a website. So one of the reasons why I actually love this platform is the fact that they are one of the best alternatives to Stripe, because they shine in when you're actually building any web app you actually want to receive payment. And peradventure, if you have been using Stripe for a longer period of time, you will observe that if you are using Stripe, you can actually pay with only your credit card or your debit card. So if you actually want to use maybe other payment platform like PayPal, you can't use it on a Stripe. But this particular platform, which is called Padu.com, will allow you to pay with different payment options from irrespective of the country you're actually coming from. So let's assume that in Nigeria, they are not accepting like credit card to pay online. So Padu will allow you to toggle PayPal to actually accept payment from your client through PayPal. And another advantage of you using this platform is the fact that you don't need to set up any company to start using Padu.com. All you have to do is to sign up, then actually verify your identity with your international passport or any means of identification, then you start using this platform. So you don't need to set up an LLC or any kind of businesses in USA or UK before you can use Padu.com. So let me show you the dashboard and show you exactly how it works. So I'm going to log in to show you my dashboard over here. So this is my dashboard over here. So when you actually land on this page, the first thing is to actually ensure you actually verify your identity. That's the first thing you have to do. The second thing that they are going to request from you is to verify the domain name you actually want to use for your processing of payment. Maybe the website, the domain name of your web app. So that one is very important before you can get approved on this platform. So now, if your intention is to like build a web app that you can actually charge your customer on monthly basis, so this platform Padu.com is one of the best. So let me show you. You can actually create a subscription plan over here, then build it with your web app. Maybe you are building from Lovable or you are building from Replit. So, and as you can see, these are my customers that have paid for my web app, and maybe after they've used it for one month, they've actually canceled their subscription. So that's one of the major advantage of using this platform. And this platform actually have this feature that if you want your audience to cancel their subscription, you can build it up with Padu.com. I'm actually going to make a video about reintegrating Padu to one of the web app I'm going to be doing anytime soon. So if you want the video, please kindly let me know in the comment section below so that I will show you step by step on how you can build a web app and integrate Padu with it. So let me show you one of the websites that is using Padu to show you the actual how it works in real life. So let me show you. So this particular platform, which is Temp Email, so they are using Padu on their payment processor. So let's assume that we want to subscribe for any of their premium. So let's try to upgrade to the premium to show you the payment platform and how you can use PayPal on the same and PayPal and credit card to pay for any services on the platform. So this is the platform. So let's assume that I'm going to enter one of my email, then click on subscribe, and as you can see, so it's going to load up the payment gateway for you to see. The reason why I'm not showing my own dashboard is the fact that I don't want everybody to copy what I'm doing right now. So that is why I'm not showing my own web app. So this is one of the major advantage of using Padu.com. So for example, if you want to charge your customer VAT, so the actual cost for this particular web app is $10, and this particular platform, Temp Email Gen, is charging their user 75 cents for VAT. So if you are using Stripe, you can't achieve this at all. Stripe doesn't allow this particular feature, but Padu does. So all you have to do is to pay. So if you want a discount code, you can build it up. Also, you can add discount code over here. So, and also if you are using Padu, Like if you are building with Padu, you can definitely integrate a discount code for your customer to pay through that. So let's assume that I want to pay. Let's assume that I want to pay to show you. Let's confirm this, then continue. So I'm going to show you if this platform is using paper. As you can see, we have paper over here. So peradventure, if customer they want to pay for your web app or your services and they don't have credit card, or their credit card doesn't work for international transaction, they can definitely use paper to pay for your web app or for your services. But mind you, Padu doesn't really work for maybe you are actually offering a coaching services or any kind of services, but it's majorly for web app or any type of app that you are building. So it's basically for Saas only. So this is the first one that I'm going to review that I'm currently using right now. So the second payment gateway that I'm going to be using anytime soon right now is called this particular website, which is called polar.sh. I've been trying to actually get approval for this platform, but their application process is kind of very tedious and hard. So for you to get access, you have to ensure that your web app is actually functioning and it has been receiving maybe like traffic has been coming and people have been seeing your web app. So all you have to do is to actually sign up, and this platform is very, very close to Stripe because they have all the features they have over here. It's actually very similar to Stripe. You know, if you are using Stripe, there's a way you can actually add your email that you can easily pay without even adding your credit card. So this platform actually does have that features. If you want to get started, just click on get started over here, sign up with your email or your Gmail. So let's click on get started. Then you can sign up with GetUp or Gmail. So once again, this platform doesn't require you to have an LLC or set up a business in USA or other country that allow Stripe. So all you have to do is to sign up, and they're going to review your application to ensure that it's actually in line with what this platform actually does. So after you have gotten an approval, so you can actually start using this platform and start receiving payment on your web app. So let me quickly show you the platform that is using this poly.sh to accept payment. So the platform name is called unicorn.best. So this platform will actually allow you to launch your web app, and they are using poly.ch to accept payment. So let's assume that we land on the page and this is their pricing and we want to pay for this their public review services. Let's click on it. So as you can see, we have polar.sh. So this is the website. As you can see, this is the checkout page, and it's just similar to Stripe. So there's no much difference between this platform and Stripe because they're actually using Stripe API and others. As you can see, you can pay with your credit card, you can pay with Cash App. So different payment method that is available also on Stripe. User can also pay with this platform. So all they have to do is to enter their credit card, their billing information, then pay. So I believe this platform that I've reviewed inside this video will help you out. You know, you'll not just be building a web app, you'll be building a web app that you can be able to accept payment, knowing fully that it's not only Stripe you have to use to actually accept payment whenever you are building your web app on Lovable or Replit or both.new. So ensure you actually subscribe to your YouTube channel, because if you actually have a lot of maybe comments or feedback, I'm probably going to make a video building a web app using padu.com and integrating the payment gateway to padu.com. So ensure you subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.